Hello, my dear family members. Are you preparing for a coding interview or placement? Or perhaps you are using AI generated code in your final year project? What if I told you that your code might have AI generated bugs that you can't even spot? Let's be real. In today's tech world, knowing how to work with AI is one thing, but knowing how to spot its mistakes, that's next level. Imagine you have just coded a project for your portfolio and you are feeling pretty good about it. But there's a catch. Some of the code it's generated by AI. And guess what? AI code isn't always as clean as it seems. Outdated libraries, memory leaks, and databases that no longer exist can all hide in AI generated code. So, how do you spot them? This is where AI Detector Pro Code comes into the picture. It's a tool designed for people just like you, featured software developers and engineers. Whether you are coding in C#, Java, Python, JavaScript or PHP, AI Detector Code Pro helps you quickly pinpoint which parts of your code were generated by AI. So why should you care? Well, as you prepare for placement or internships or startups, you need to prove that you can write clean and efficient code. AI generated code can be buggy, and sometimes if you can't spot those bugs, they might cost you your job opportunity. By using AI Detector Code Pro, you will have the edge to quickly spot those problem areas and fix them fast, ensuring that your code stands out for all the right reasons. Let's dive into a quick demo using some real Java code. We have a mix of human written code and AI generated code. Watch how AI Detector Pro Code flags the AI generated lines. This helps you understand where to focus your energy so you don't waste time troubleshooting non-issues in human written code. Now click on register and enter your name, email address, passwords, confirm passwords and basic details, then hit on the register button. Here just verify the mail and you will be navigated to the dashboard. Now click on new AI scan. At first let's check an AI generated code. So I have that already copied. So paste it here. Select your preferred language as you wish. I am choosing Java and click on analyze and see. Amazing, right? It detects like a police. It's telling, hey, it is not your own code, write your own math. So you have to be mindful about that. Now let's check a code written by human. So I have already copied that. So paste it here and analyze. See, it's telling you are good to go. It can give you full overview which portion is suspicious and which are fully AI written. So here's the real deal. When you can spot AI bugs before they even reach your final year project or code submission, you are showcasing your attention to detail and problem solving skills. These two qualities every tech recruiter looks for. Plus, fewer revisions mean you can move on to your next project faster, leaving a solid impression on recruiters. Whether you are working on a personal project or preparing for a technical interview, you need to show that you can write clean, human level code that's ready for real world challenges. AI Detector Code Pro isn't just a tool, it's like a cheat code for mastering your coding quality before you submit your work. It's perfect for students, fresh grads, anyone preparing for interviews or a small business. So, are you ready to level up your coding game? Whether it's for a placement test, a coding project, or your next startup, AI Detector Code Pro gives you the tools to spot those AI generated bugs quickly and with precision. Don't let your code be the reason you miss out on an opportunity. So click the link below to try it out now. Thank you.